Want to ace your PSLE English?
If I pass my exams, can I get into an university?
No, but you may get into a university.
Huh? Why a university? But I learned in school the A-E-I-O-U rule. University starts with the letter U.
That's what most people misunderstand. The A-E-I-O-U rule isn't supposed to be based on alphabets. It's actually based on vowel sounds.
Sorry, but I catch no ball. What are vowel sounds?
Well, take the word university for example. It starts with the letter U. So shouldn't it be an university? No, the trick is to listen to the sound. Since university sounds like it starts with a U sound, Y-O-O, we use the article a. So it's a university.
Oh, so I made an honest mistake.
You made an honest mistake. Again, you think that the word honest starts with the letter H, which is a consonant. But when you pronounce it, you say honest, which starts with the O sound, which is a vowel.
Oh, now I get it. Thanks, Chuck. I have to rush off to take a MRT home now.
You mean an MRT train. The acronym MRT may start with the consonant M, but is pronounced M-E-M, which starts with the vowel sound eh. But wait, before you go, let me give you one more test. Do you live in a HDB flat or an HDB flat?
What do you think, guys?